General Motors once received a strange letter from one of their customers, claiming that his car had a severe sensitivity to a specific type of ice cream, particularly vanilla-flavored ice cream. In his letter, the customer acknowledged that it sounded crazy and wouldn't blame them if they didn't believe him, but assured them that it was the truth. Every day after work, he would go to buy ice cream, and if he bought any flavor other than vanilla, the car would work fine. However, if he bought vanilla-flavored ice cream, the engine wouldn't start. The company didn't dismiss the letter and sent an engineer to investigate the customer's complaint. To the engineer's amazement, he found that the man's claim was true. The engineer himself drove the car to buy ice cream and got the same result. When vanilla was purchased, the car wouldn't start, but with any other flavor, the car started without issue. The engineer's observation was that buying vanilla ice cream, which was readily available due to its high demand and prepackaged nature, took very little time, while buying other flavors took longer since they were not prepackaged. The logical question posed by the engineer was, why did the engine refuse to start after a short stop for vanilla, but worked fine after a longer break for other flavors? The company conducted thorough research and discovered a phenomenon called vapor lock, in which some of the gasoline turns from liquid to gas, preventing fuel from flowing properly into the engine. When the car is left to cool for a longer period, this issue resolves itself. Your perspective on events changes when you possess knowledge that allows you to analyze situations and find solutions to improve yourself, whereas ignorance only leads to superstition.